Hi everyone, welcome to Makewell with Miss Markwell. Today I'm going to be doing a gooey Mars bar cornflake cake recipe. It's something that I used to do when I was a little girl. It is amazing. If you have a sweet tooth, then this is a recipe for you. Okay, let's do it. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching the demonstration. I hope you really liked it. And a word of warning, they are really gooey and chewy, so you need some good gnashes on you. And if you think, why are the portions so small, it's because they are so sweet, so just be aware. But they are worth it, and there's a nice little treat for you. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.